Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save Excel file in laptop. So let's start. So this is Excel file and this file I'm going to save in laptop. So go to the file tab and click on the save as option. Then in here other location just click on the this PC. Just double click on this PC option and here you can see the save as dialog box is open. Here the select the destination where you want to save this Excel file. So here you can see the desktop. When you click on the desktop, here the desktop is open. Okay. If you want to cross share, you can check here the location part. In this PC, the desktop here the open. When you click on the documents folder here open. If you want to cross share, you can check here this PC and documents folder here open. Now change the file name. If you want to change, just double click on it and edit your file name. So I just edit here my file name. And after that, check the file type. Okay. So Excel workbook is a default here mentioned. If in your laptop is Excel workbook is not showing, then click on this drop down arrow and select here the Excel workbook option. Okay. Then click on the save. That's it. Your Excel file is saved in your laptop. Okay. Second way, if you have a path of location. So in my notepad, you can see this is a location path. In C drive, the PNG folder, there is one Excel folder. In this folder, I'm going to save this file by using this location path. So let's see how it's. Go to the file tab, same as click on the file, then click on the save as, then click on the this PC. Now here you can see this is a location, okay, user, admin, documents. When you click on the desktop, this PC desktop. Now I open my location path and copy this. Select and copy, Ctrl C and paste here. Just paste Ctrl V and just enter. You can see this location is open. C drive, PNG, Excel. If you want to check again, should C drive, PNG, Excel. This is the Excel folder is automatically open. Now you quickly save this file. Just click on save. That's it. In your Excel folder, this file is saved. The second way I show you, just click on the file, then click on the save as option, then click on the this PC option. And here you can see the same dialog box is open. In last option, I paste here the location part. Okay. But here now I copy this location part. Now I paste in the file name area. So I just select this file name and paste here. Now you can see the location part is pasted. Just press the enter and see this location is open in C drive, PNG and Excel. And here you can check the file name is changed. Okay, those are already the file name is showing the purchase data which are showing. Okay, so you can just edit your file name and quickly save your data. Okay, here is already saved. I just already saved this file, therefore is showing there. I just edit this name. I just purchase data one. Enter. Now just click on the save. That's it. So this is a different way you can save your Excel file in your laptop. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.